Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to our channel Couture Crave. If you are visiting to our channel for first time, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications of our videos. Let's start our video. Today we are showing you the latest comfortable, lightweight and extra soft footwear collection for women. Yes, you wear it right. We have stylish and lightweight designs in all categories, including casuals, semi-casuals, regular wear, party wear, and doctor footwear. We have a wide variety of options to choose from, so you can find the perfect pair of shoes for any occasion. There are a lot of shoe designs and color variations in this video, so be sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. Share this video with your friends and family so they can also learn about these latest and comfortable footwear designs. If you like this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up. For our appreciation, which pair of shoes is your favorite from this collection? Let us know in the comments below. And thanks for watching my video.